In today's video, we're going to be unboxing this month's Goddess Provisions subscription box. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another video. My location seems to be a little bit different, but that's because I just filmed a live here where I did a spirit haul. If you guys missed it, I think I had a lot of fun doing that, and I want to do that more. If you guys liked it, let me know. But today, we're going to be doing an unboxing, and we're going to be unboxing Goddess Provisions monthly subscription box. If you guys are new to my channel, I do these every single month, and Goddess Provisions is so sweet enough to send me these boxes every single month. These are my fun videos. These are my videos where I get to unwind, I drink with you guys, and I unbox. So like, these are my fun things to do. Like, you know how people have hobbies and like things they like to do? This is it for me, is drinking and unboxing and filming it for you guys. So that's what we're going to be doing. A little bit about Goddess Provisions. If you guys saw last month's video, the unboxing, that was my favorite. I got a tea leaf divination set. I got a set of rune stones. That was the best box. So I'm really excited about this one because they're stepping up their stuff so much, as if they needed to. They did not, but they're doing a good job. So, okay, Goddess Provisions, each box has 5 to 7 full-size products. From crystals, aromatherapy, like divination, intuition tools, just so much spiritual tools, self-help tools, just really fun, magical, spiritual things that you can use to better your life, to enhance your life. The box is cruelty-free, it's vegan, and they plant a tree for every box sold. Usually there is $80 to $100 worth of items in the box. Every single month that I've received these boxes, when I add up everything together, it exceeds $100. Like, the monthly box is $33 a month. If you get like several months together, I think you do get a discount, but you pay $33, but you get $100, sometimes even more than $100 worth of stuff. And for me, I find that it heightens my spirituality because I get new things to explore, new things to do, new things to just be curious about and learn about, and just, it's such a nice box. I can't say good things about it enough. But let's start unboxing. But before we start unboxing, in my spirit haul, I showed you guys these Ouija board or planchette shot glasses. These are $1 right now at Spirit. So I got 4 of them. So cheers. First thing I see here is a little baggie that I'm gonna open up. Oh, it's a mood ring. Oh my God. How funny. I have not had this since I was little, and it's so pretty, you guys. And it's adjustable, so I can adjust it. I love this. How fun. Do you guys see that? How fun. How cute is that? Basically, what is a mood ring? It kind of works with your body heat, and it'll show you your mood according to your body heat. It will change color according to your body heat. So it also gives you a chart of what color means what. So if you're balanced, calm, peaceful, energized, inspired, or happy. So right now it looks like I'm peaceful and patient. It's like between blue and purple. This is so pretty. The next thing I see here, you know what? I'm not gonna wait until the end of the video. I'm gonna share with you guys the prices of everything right here and right now. So they always give you a pamphlet, and you guys know I like to use these in my journal. So this is really cute. It's really inspiring because it has all the colors over here. It's real cute. I like that. And inside they always give a monthly mantra, and I like to paste these on my fridge, which it's really nice. My fridge is like filled with just positive affirmations, all from Goddess Provisions booklets. So this one says, I receive healing vibrations from the full spectrum of light and feel gratitude for this colorful life. So imagine you're planting that into your subconscious mind every single day. So I like to paste these on the fridge. You could do it on your wall, your mirror, your journal. Like, it's really nice. Anyways, the ring is a $33 value. Wow, it's a silver plated mood ring. Wow. It does feel like much higher quality than the usual mood ring. It's really, really pretty. The silver is really shiny and nice, and the color changes according to your mood, so you have a different ring all the time. Okay, the next thing I see here is a Plantable seed pencil. What is that? So you sharpen it for the most colorful results. Write on white paper with a sharpened pencil on a firm surface. When your pencil becomes too short, plant the compostable tip into wet soil. Oh no. This is genius because, oh my God, it goes back into earth after you use it. So it's a colorful pencil. You can see the colors right there? So if you sharpen it, my hands are so shaky. If you sharpen it, so it's colorful and you can write with it. This would be really good to write in your journal with. Listen, listen. Do you hear that? The seeds are right here. So when you're done using the pencil, you plant it. How genius is that? And it's mint, which I've been meaning to get a mint plant or seeds or something because I love using mint in my coffee during the fall time and cooking and tea. And also, if you were in the live, mint is good for opening the roads to money and prosperity. My money powder, my herb blend for money, all has mint in it. It's a road opener. So I love this. How much is this? Because this is genius. This is a $5 value. That's not bad because you're getting seeds and you're getting a pencil. Not bad, $5. Okay, the next thing I see here is colors for good. According to color therapy, colors have the power to raise your vibration. Yeah, they do. Each bracelet empowers the women who made it by creating job opportunities. Oh wow, okay. So this is a really cute bracelet that you could just wear. Actually, I probably use this not only just as a bracelet, but also a scrunchie because it's really good quality. But it's a, oh, so the color of this bracelet emits vibrations of intuition. Interesting. I like this. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. I got the pink one. And this is an $8 value. And it's just a bracelet using color magic to invoke a energy within you. So this color specifically is to invoke intuition. I love that. It has a little blue, like rubbery bead on it. I don't know how else to explain it, but it says colors for good. Colors for good. So this is kind of what it looks like, if you guys can see. Love that. Okay, so the next thing I see here is a bag. It says Crystal Prism Sun Catcher. What is that? Oh my gosh, wow. My grandpa was so into these. He would keep it in his car all the time. And he was so into this. This is like locked into the bag, hold on. And oh my God, it's so pretty. Look at this. Can you guys see that? It's a sun catcher. So what it does is it catches the sunlight and it will reflect it into your house. And it brings the energy of the sun and reflects it all over your house. And usually you will see rainbowish colors, you know, reflecting on your walls. My grandpa kept this in his car, and my grandpa was a successful, very successful man, and he got anything he wanted. He had such positive, such good energy. So anything that he did, anything that he touched, I valued so much. And this is one of the things that he loved. So for it to come to me today, and this morning, you guys, I had a dream about him, and I haven't dreamed about him for a while. So it's real funny. That's real weird. I think that I'm going to give this to him, like offer this to him, and then use it in my house. And I just feel like if I offer it to him and if I give it to him, then he'll be able to like communicate with me through this. So this is very special. This is very, very special to me. So I wanted to show you guys a close-up look at how pretty. Oh my God. Look, you can also already see the reflections of light. So not only does it have this light reflector, the sun catcher, but it also has a color bead, a crystal for each chakra. This is a $22 value. Hang this in a sunny window to transform light beams into rainbows. Notice how your vibe shifts as color streams into your world. I love this. And there's something else in here. Oh, so it comes with this little suction thingy, so you can just kind of like put it on your window. I'm real excited to use this. Stay tuned on my Instagram because I might post pictures of like what the light looks like. And I think my dogs are gonna enjoy the lights on the walls, even my cats. I think they're gonna really enjoy that and play with it and try to like attack it and stuff. Next thing I see here is I see through the lens of gratitude and love. And this, it's sunglasses. I'm super picky with sunglasses. Ooh, because my face structure, I don't know, man. Sunglasses look so weird on my facial structure. So let's see how this looks. What do you guys think? Tell me. Tell me the truth. Like, what do you think? Should I keep it? Should I give it to my boyfriend? What do you think? It's alright. I don't know, like, I feel like all sunglasses look so weird on my face. I feel like a bug, but it's really pretty and it gives like this purple cast. What is it called? Polar sunglasses, where it makes everything more clear. I don't think this is polar, but this is a $22 value and it is violet sunglasses. So, rose-colored glasses and experience the magic of color therapy. Violet light is known to help calm your mind and body and enhance your connection to the higher consciousness. Okay, I'm excited to see what this does for me. Like, wow, there's no scratches or nothing on here. Actually, no, it's cracked on one side. It is cracked. It's alright. We'll still use it until it cracks all the way. And the next thing I see here, it looks like a keychain. Okay, so this is a keychain. This is what it looks like. It's from Jessica Swift. This is, for me, rainbows are a symbol of gratitude. This limited edition keychain is intended to be a reminder of all there is to be grateful for, and it is an offering from my heart to yours. Pink Rainbow is an exclusive collaboration between Jessica Swift and Goddess Provisions. The shades of pink speak to the heart chakra and spark joy, playfulness, love, and gratitude. So this is all about heart chakra. This right here is a $13 value. Cute. And the next thing I see here is it looks like an agate. Ooh, it's so pretty. Do you guys see that? Okay, so this is a purple agate or agate. Hold this purple stone when you sit down to meditate. The combination of purple and agate energy will help activate your upper chakras for the divine insight and spiritual development. So this is actually really cute. You know what I would do? I don't want to take that out. Here, I have one right here. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to light tea lights on it, especially for meditation. When I'm meditating, when I'm doing readings, or whenever I'm doing anything spiritual, I will light my tea lights on this. How cute. And $4 value, not bad. $4, not bad. I actually might check out the site and order more because it's so cute. The last thing that I see here is a crystal oracle deck. So let's open that. I love when I get oracle decks or any kind of tarot or oracle decks because you guys know I use them all the time. That is my job, that's my work. And so for me to receive these, my readings just gain more creative energy and more insightful and all that. So let's see. They are smaller, which I like because I can carry it with me when I go places. So if you guys see that, do you guys see the color scheme? Let's see. We have ruby, which is excitement, garnet, which is bravery, okay, rhodonite, which is forgiveness, carnelian, action. If you're trying to manifest a house, use carnelian, agate, stability, so many, fluorite, organization, obsidian, self-reflection, wow, labradorite, imagination. Labradorite is my favorite. So how much is this? So this is $25 value. It's a 54 card deck that contains the powers of intention, crystal energy, and color therapy. I really like this. I'm going to be using this a lot to create rituals for a lot of clients in my readings. So I love that. And that is it. They also give you a digital download, and this is Healing with Color mini course. So discover how different frequencies affect your mood and learn 8 ways you can incorporate color into your daily life to raise your vibration. It's a $33 course, and you get the code and you can download it for free. It comes with the box. So that was this month's Goddess Provisions box. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you guys got it. What do you guys like about it the most? My favorite thing was, of course, this. It's crazy. Like, I had a dream about my grandpa, and all of a sudden I got this. And people would make fun of him. Like, the family would make fun of him. Like, what is that in your car? And he didn't give a shit. Like, he didn't care. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you real soon.